ba, may paano kaya?
Looking for something smaller than what Annie and Lost had.
Right.
Oh, it's right there.
It's underground?
Oh, here. There's it. Literally, the plate is right there. HK. Damn, this is the first time actually going underground.
Oh, damn.
It's actually pretty loud.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my vlog. 86. Another BRZ. Got the ND. Got a sick Pajero over here, though.
What do you really need? Get a practical sense. It's actually.
Oh, he's fine. Okay, you got a TRD kit. That one's factory. That's a duckbill. Classic. Practice vlog. Ooh. Wow. OnlyFans content. Oh. Oh, it's getting rowdy, guys. Oh, got a content creator over here. Hong Kong? Yeah, Hong Kong. Need a gimbal. What do we have here? LTF1s, carbon fenders. Did they do the rear conversion? Yes, they did. Wow.
Just gotta pull in. Bye-bye.
Hey, baby. How you doing? JT.
JT.
哇！哇！邊個咁靚仔啊？
呢兩個。
哇！真長舐舐嚟哇！
粗褲袋。That's your dream car. That's my dream. That's your dream car. Yeah. That's how. That's me. I'm glad I didn't come down.
I want to see how this guy gets up.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Never mind. 开始可能在听一下。
要干嘛干嘛？
That could have been you. Bro, you're 8'6". That could have been you. 你一齊走啊嘛。
哇！哦
She wants to score too.
So you're gonna be like, so this.
She wants to start off
Yo, Johnny, what's your the ultimatum?
on the Civic Type.
This is sick. Okay, JT. Alright, I'm hopping in, bro. I'm hopping in. 천재.
Oh, turns out one.
Wow. Who do we have in the back? This is Tokyo Drift, except we're not drifting out of the parking lot.
Car's literally right here on the road.